Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to send SMS notifications from Shopify using Zapier. Now first thing you got to do is to head on to Zapier and go to apps. Now search on Shopify and pair the app with SMS by Zapier, or you can use ClickSend. So I'm going to use SMS by Zapier. And if you scroll down here, you will see templates for your integrations, or you can create your own integration. Just click on integrate for free. So it's better to use these templates, so it's more easier for you. And after this, you will be able to send notifications from Shopify using Zapier. That's it. Thanks for watching.